Alright, so we're gonna do the unbox on this Thunderbolt 3 USB-C hub for MacBook Pro. Got my MacBook right here. This MacBook Pro 13-inch. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. Okay, here's a little dongle here. As you can see, it's got two USB-C ports. These are the ones that you're gonna plug to your laptop in here. It snaps right on. As you can see, it's flush. It's just the way it should be. Anyhow, it's got it also has two USB 3 ports, one HDMI for video output, and you had a Thunderbolt 3 port. On the side you have a USB-C port and one more on the other side. So these are regular USB-C, no charging. Let's see what's inside here. So here we have three adapters, Type-C to LAN port. It says it supports up to 10, 100, and 1000 gigabits per second speeds. You also have a Type-C to micro SD plus SD card reader. Another Type-C to USB 3.0 up to 5 gigabits per second. Pretty nice device, and simple and effective. So I picked it up for like $38, $39 from Media Gear's website.